All right, earlier today, the U.S. Supreme Court ruled former President Donald Trump is immune from prosecution for official actions he took while in office.
Now local Republicans and Democrats are reacting to the court's decision. KETK's Nolan Hoffman joins us with what they had to say. Nolan.
Well, Casey Isaac, an East Texas lawmaker I spoke with, said not only is this ruling a win for Donald Trump, but for any president in the near future. Democrats believe this could put the former president above the law.
Well, they did rule in Trump's favor, but they also ruled for presidential immunity across the board.
After Monday's Supreme Court ruling that former President Donald Trump is immune from prosecution for official acts while in office, Republicans are calling it a win.
The Supreme Court got this exactly right.
East Texas Representative Nathaniel Moran posting on social media his reaction to the ruling, saying today's Supreme Court ruling is a victory for our Constitution and the rule of law. But Democrats believe this ruling goes too far.
Any sort of action that a president performs is going to be immune from prosecution, and I think that's the wrong move.
Republican Senator for District 1 Brian Hughes, who is also an attorney, explained what would qualify as official acts from a president.
For the president's core constitutional duties, those things the Constitution says the president must do: appoint ambassadors, declare war, specific constitutional things like that.
Unofficial acts that the president does would not be granted immunity.
If you're the president of the United States and you're driving a car and you run over someone on the weekend and you're out doing your own thing, that would be unofficial, nothing to do with the presidency. You'd be held liable for that.
The Democratic Party of Texas provided us a statement saying the Supreme Court just made it even easier for Donald Trump to pursue his path to a dictatorship. Grace thinks it gives the president more power.
I think it puts the president above the law, and it allows the president more leeway to do things that they wouldn't normally do.
The ruling now heads to the lower courts to decide the former president's fate. The lower courts will now have to decide which core aspects in the former president's indictment on the election interference case are unofficial and official. Hughes also telling me today he does not believe the trial will happen before the election coming up in November. Casey Isaac, we'll send it back to you.